it's just golden for me. Now, there's a twist. We're gonna ride an elevator, but we're not gonna film it on my main camera here, as you can see right here, or my phone, because this is my main camera. So if I turn it on, flip up the screen, you guys can actually see what we're filming on today. But yeah, here's my main camera, just in case you guys cared. I did an unboxing like a month ago. This is the Canon PowerShot SX730HS. And you can see that we're filming on my old camera. If you can see through the mirror, we're filming on my TX100V because it's been about a year since I filmed that, and I found out that this thing can actually shoot 60 frames per second. So, let's go ahead and ride an elevator out here in Avon or Westlake somewhere. Or maybe Independence, we'll see. Anyway, I guess watch it. So, see you guys on the elevator. Okay guys, we're in Independence. It's been like 1.5 years since I've been here. We're at the Spring Hill Suites here in Independence. Here's a view out the window. I'll be back in a couple of weeks to get a Canon take, but here they are. Schindler HD Premium, newly installed in 2016. Let's see which one we get. We're shooting a 1 round trip. Probably getting this one. Yep, we're getting this one. Here's your lanterns. They do chime. Nice HT call button. Let's head down to 1. Door close doesn't work. Car 2, 3,500 pounds. Let's get our cab view. It's a nice elevator. Here's your indicator. 3,500 pound capacity. It's been a while since I filmed on a Sony T-Series camera. But I am getting used to how slow the autofocus is. We're gonna end back up on 4. 4? Hopefully I can talk over the music. Talkie. Alright, let's hear the motor. Schindler HT, so it's gonna be good. See if you guys can. Ooh, look down there. You guys can see where the elevator is down there, the other one. And there it is. And alright, let's end at 1. Perfect. There's the door. Now there's floor 4. The autofocus on this camera is not that great, but it's okay. You can hear the other one's motor. The other one has a better motor. Like I said though, we'll be back in a couple weeks to get a Canon take, so here at 1. Hello. There it goes. There's the indicator up there. I guess you can quickly watch the indicator change before we end the video. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys again soon. Make sure you please subscribe. Leave a like if you guys want to see more videos. You guys can see the outro. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys again soon. Bye.